Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Sonja. Today I've got a quick and easy recipe that's perfect for weeknight dinners or meal prep. Instant Pot Turmeric Rice. This golden, flavorful rice is made with simple ingredients and it pairs perfectly with just about anything. Plus, it's ready in minutes thanks to the Instant Pot. So let's jump right in. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of rice, 1.5 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. I was all out of garlic powder, so I did use some fresh garlic, just crushed up, but you can definitely use powder. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, some onion powder, thyme, turmeric for the beautiful color and flavor, salt and pepper, and a bay leaf. Simple but so delicious. First things first, you will rinse your rice under cold water for about a minute. This helps remove the excess starch and keeps the rice from being too sticky. Now we're going to add everything into the Instant Pot. Super easy. Add the rinsed rice, your stock, butter, olive oil, onion powder, turmeric, garlic powder, thyme, salt, pepper, and of course, that bay leaf for a little extra flavor boost. Give it all a good stir. And we're ready to cook. Pop the lid on, turn the knob to ceiling, and cook on high pressure. For jasmine rice, it takes just about 4 minutes with an 8 to 10 minute natural release. If you're using white or basmati rice, I suggest cooking for 4 minutes with a quick release. If you like firmer white rice, you can cook it for just 2 minutes. Easy. Look at that gorgeous yellow color from the turmeric. Give it a quick fluff with fork and it's ready to serve. This turmeric rice is perfect as a side for so many dishes. I love serving it with my Asian meatball recipe, which I will link in the description box below if you want to check it out. And that's it. Super easy Instant Pot Turmeric Rice. I hope you love this recipe as much as I do. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments what you'll be serving this rice with. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.